What if one day, Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Not slowed down, not over millions of years. Instantly stopped. Right now, you're moving through space at incredible speed without even noticing it. At the equator, Earth spins at about 1,770 kilometers per hour, or over 1,000 miles per hour. Everything on the planet, oceans, buildings, cars, animals, and people, is moving with it. But what would happen if all of that motion suddenly came to a halt? The answer is far more terrifying than most people imagine. The moment Earth stopped spinning, almost everything not firmly attached to bedrock would continue moving at the planet's original speed. Imagine being launched sideways faster than a commercial airplane. Cities would be destroyed within seconds. Buildings would collapse, trees would be ripped from the ground, and massive debris storms would sweep across entire continents. The atmosphere wouldn't stop immediately either. Air would keep racing around the globe at incredible speeds, creating winds stronger than anything ever recorded. These hyper-fast winds could exceed 1,600 kilometers per hour, turning the surface of Earth into a giant sandblaster. Entire forests, towns, and landscapes would be stripped away. The oceans would become even more dangerous. Today, Earth's rotation causes water to bulge around the equator. If the planet stopped spinning, that bulge would disappear. Trillions of tons of water would begin moving toward the poles. The result would be colossal megatsunamis unlike anything in human history. Walls of water hundreds of meters high could surge across continents. Coastal cities would vanish. Vast regions that are currently underwater near the poles could emerge, while many areas around the equator would become dry land. But the disasters wouldn't end there. A day on Earth currently lasts 24 hours because of our rotation. Without spinning, one side of the planet would face the sun for an entire year, while the other side would remain in darkness for a year. The sunlit side would become unbearably hot. Temperatures could soar high enough to make many regions nearly impossible to inhabit. Rivers and lakes would evaporate. Droughts would spread across enormous areas. Meanwhile, the dark side would freeze. Temperatures would plunge far below what most living things can survive. Ice would expand across continents, creating a frozen wasteland. Only a narrow zone between the permanent day side and permanent night side might remain somewhat habitable. Earth's shape would also change. Because of its rotation, our planet isn't a perfect sphere. It's slightly wider around the equator. If spinning stopped, gravity would slowly reshape Earth into a more perfect sphere. This process would trigger massive earthquakes and volcanic activity across the globe as the planet adjusted to its new form. Navigation systems would be affected as well. Weather patterns that depend on Earth's rotation would completely change. Ocean currents would be disrupted. Ecosystems that evolved over millions of years would struggle to survive. Many species could go extinct as they failed to adapt to the new environment. Fortunately, there's some good news. Earth is not going to suddenly stop spinning. In fact, our planet is gradually slowing down, but at an incredibly tiny rate. The change is so small that it takes millions of years to notice any meaningful difference. Scientists estimate that hundreds of millions of years from now, days may be slightly longer than they are today, but life on Earth will have plenty of time to adapt. Still, imagining a world where Earth instantly stopped spinning reveals just how delicate our planet's balance really is. The rotation we never think about helps control our weather, our oceans, our climate, and even the length of our days. Without it, the world we know would disappear in an instant. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, you're traveling through space on a giant spinning planet, moving at incredible speed, and that spin is one of the reasons life exists at all. Did any of these facts surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Triviaxel Media for more mind-blowing facts, mysteries, and fascinating what-if scenarios. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.